Battery dying?
No, just something I think. This turd bucket. Turd machine. Fixing the ride height on this fucking thing. This trash. Look at that tire. That tire is bugged.
Tire's funky.
We're gonna put this coil over on this monstrosity. No, just kidding. It's a cool car. I want one. But later on. I gotta finish my E36. Like this? It looks like it's going through. It's gonna work. Yeah, it's definitely working. It's grinding down for sure. Look. See?
Put this on.
Yeah, I got it. Your mom was like, he needs all the help he can get.
That's what she said?
Yeah, on the car. I was like, oh my gosh. She's roasting.
Your mom's a hater.
She's roasting. Yeah, keep going. You're almost there.
Turn this on. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah. Your hip?
Put it down.
Oh, okay. But I was gonna hold it like this, yeah.
I had a flat screwdriver. Oh, it's in the car. I need a hammer too, damn it.
I have a chisel. I have the mallet. Let me go get it. Got that big old mallet. Huh.
Alright,
Let's see. Mm-hmm. This way?
Sounds real.
Cover with that. I got it. Yeah, keep doing that. Just move it back and up and down. Yeah, be careful. Use this thing maybe now. Oh, there you go.
Clean up a bit.
These coils are for what car? A 240 or something?
Yeah, 240.
Nice.
Yeah, they don't fit, so you gotta take that off, and you gotta change the top hats with the ones that are already on the car. Or you could drill the holes for these, but I don't think it really matters since you can't see the top hat from underneath the car.
Yeah.
You know, from inside, whatever. And like this is still there, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna cheap coils. I paid $25 for them.
Fuck it. 25 bucks is a good price.
Will I save up for Megans or whatever? That works.
Eventually.
Sweet. That's pretty good, right?
Yeah?
Go take this one.
Okay. That's cool. You won't be as bored anymore.
I think this one's blown.
What, this is the one?
No, I mean I know the other one's blown, but this one's probably blown too.
Yeah.
It's probably blown, huh? It's just blown, huh?
I mean, if you're gonna slam it, who cares? I guess. Just put it on. Fuck it. You're already doing it. Put it on there. Because you already done it, so we're already on our way there. What?
I'm gonna check on it.
Alright. So Brandon's back in the same room?
No. He's in my room. Where he's like, we're in the same room.
Oh, fuck. What's in the room now?
Nothing.
Just stuff?
Just stuff.
Fuck it. Why don't you use a socket and then hammer this down some?
No, it's because this thing goes down.
That's why I'll hold it. Just tap it a bit. Yeah, you can just that one. I'll tap it. Just tap it a bit. See if the rubber goes down some more. Yeah, it went down a bit. There you go. Now you have some threads. Yeah, sick.
What size is this?
I don't remember. Like a
17?
fucking.
Probably 17 my hand.
Probably that one. Then. Yeah, see, that one has a clip. That one's a bitch.
Oh, I need the long 17.
Oh, it's this one?
Is there a long 17?
No, you don't have this. I have a 17. A long one?
You want to grab one?
Yeah, here, hold this. Let me go grab it. Here. Oh shit, that stabbed through. That's not good. Alright, thank you. This is a 19, 16, 17. Here.
It's a newer one.
And you can put it on this here. Wait, what?
Doesn't fit.
Doesn't fit?
17.
It's a 17.
Oh, is this 17? I don't know if it's a 17 that fit it.
Put that back on, is it? No, probably 18 here. I have those too. Yeah, here. Then you gotta get the. Where's the other? Let me get. Oh, shit. Here.
I was like, whose ugly ass car is that?
Fucking alignment on this shit is trash.
On what? On the car?
Yeah.
That's how it is on my car too. On this
Like-
red one? Horrible.
It's like the fucking it was the left front wheel is all fucking. It's all weird. You can actually feel it.
Me too. My left wheel is trashed. You can look at it. My left front tire is fucked. That's funny. I guess it's always the driver's side. Well, you want to check this? What here?
I'm gonna see if I can find this one.
Yeah, go for it, dude. Yeah, now you have that fucking thing. Use it, do it. I bought that gun.
Yeah.
My mom bought it for me actually. She hooked me up. Yeah. So that's why I gotta do something. I gotta make this shit work. Still drawing?
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah. It's been fucking. Just been trying to like slightly improve it.
Yeah, the more you draw, the better you'll get. I mean, that's how it goes.
I'm still trying to learn how to do backgrounds.
Yeah, you know what?
Shading, right?
I was thinking about backgrounds. It was just tracing a background. I'd say like printing it out, and then tracing out and putting that in the back or something, or photoshopping it in. Like draw your characters and then Photoshop the background in. Because that's what I've seen a lot of guys.
Yeah, they do it all digitally.
And they make it black and white, look like a drawing.
Yeah.
It's easier. So do that too. Think about that too. Like if you have a laptop and Photoshop, you just draw your cool characters and your action scenes and whatever, and then.
Because I was looking at some manga called Berserk. And
Yeah,
like,
Berserk is cool.
At some point, it like got all different. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, Berserk is really cool. Really good one. So, it's a good show. It's really bloody and gore and fucked up.
Dude, fuck yeah.
A lot of betrayals. Let's see.
Which way is it going?
Let's bring it up. Let's see. Bring it up again. Go. Do you have the bolts? Where's the bolts for this?
It's inside.
Inside here? Where? Yeah, I fell out. I just don't know where the bolts are. Where's the nuts? I don't see them. What the fuck? I don't know. Oh shit, all the way over there? Fuck. Look, that's why you got rust too.
Yeah, because of all the water and shit.
All these?
No, not the big one. Just the small ones.
Alright, let's do it again. Go. Hold on. Okay. I got it. Push it up a little bit more. That's okay. I put the rest of these others too soon.
Bitch. That was a bitch. Big bitch.
Well, here we are working on this contraption.
Those Ocho S Akis, I don't know.
Look at this suspension.
To the front.
Max speeding rods.
maxxxspeeding.
Trash. I have these on my car too. Basura.
Basura.
Bad now?
Yeah.
Is it bad?
Yeah.
No.
It's not low.
He'll get him there. He'll get him there. Put the wheels on.
Basura.
Garbage.
I think only one of my tires is good for that.
Oh yeah?
Because they're different from the ones.
I like them.
I think one of them, yeah, the seal pop. Look at it.
You gotta get a fresh tire, huh? You should look on eBay or something.
Yeah.
That's where I got my tires. Well, not these
They're in
ones.
Walmart, dude. They're cheap.
Fuck it, huh? Because I got Federals, that's why. It's 150 for the 2. Which is not too bad actually, because if it's a 4, it'd be 400. And that's pretty cheap for tires. Especially the ones I got, the Federal tires, those are pretty pricey.
Yeah.
They're nice tires. That's why I was like, what the fuck, really? 150 for a set of Federals? No way. And so I just kind of swooped on it. I use my credit card, but fuck it. I don't care.
All the way, right? The top? No, the tip, yeah.
Right here, right here.
Right at the end.
Go, right, this thing.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. When are you gonna get a car? Or do you know what kind of car you want to get?
Just something simple.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Married first.
Okay. Why?
Gotta get people. I'm already fucking. They're already some system or whatever. So they're like, they have to, I guess, look at what, like at my file or something like that.
Ah, fuck.
So it's basically just a waiting game. But I already know what I want. So this guy told me get a simple car, don't go fucking over the top.
Yeah.
Get something off the lot, cause that's stupid.
Yeah, get a Honda or something.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. A Honda or one of those like little boxy Corollas. And then he just said fucking, what do you say? Fucking just fix it up as good as I can.
Yeah,
And then
seriously.
resell it and then just move up from there.
So that would be. Right? Buy a cheap car for $1,000
Yeah.
or
Or
cheaper,
Probably did that.
and then sell it for $1,000 or more expensive,
yeah.
and then you get the car you want, and then you do it again. And do it again. Or
Yeah, definitely. We'll look around. We'll go with you when you get a car, so we'll know what you're gonna get yourself
let me
into.
pull one of my tires.
All right. Let's do it.
You like that intake man?
Oh yeah, he showed me.
Yeah, yeah.
Sick.
It's not bad. Yeah. Fuck it.
I had it in the garage. It was fucking crazy.
Yeah, use it. Well, let's finish it. Put that on. You're almost there. It's like right there. You still gotta do the front one too.
I bought these lug nuts. I'm not sure if they fit.
Sure. Here.
No fluke to live with them, you know?
Cool. Got him.
Got you. Let's start buying.
Use the old ones?
I have no idea.
That's kind of sketchy, but. Huh? He ran these wheels on his car or what?
What?
He drove these wheels on his car?
Yeah.
And nothing happened to him?
What is the extra?
Oh, nice. Screw it.
But I guess the guy crashed it or sold it or some shit. And actually, I think he sold it and then bought it back when I was bullshit, but he wanted more, so I'm like, fuck.
He doesn't want the car anymore?
Well, I think, so what happened was he had it and then he sold it,
Mm-hmm.
and then his friend bought it back. And then goes back off of it. And then I think he got bigger ones than these.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so he put the bigger ones on it, and then he's selling his.
Fuck it.
$100, I'm not fucking tripping. These rims are only $100, dude.
Yeah, the car looks lower now too. Look at the wheels up higher, tucked in more. That's why I brought it over. Make it easy. Be careful though. You don't have the fourth one?
No, I have to look.
Just buy some.
Yeah, no, that's like that. I bought those ones thinking it would be good. But
Or just put one of these on.
I have no.
Screw it, dude.
I have no.
Get something like this and you'll always be ending up doing shit like this. I know. Fuck, my car's newer and I still end up doing shit like this too. Stupid fucking BMW.
Our Jeeps have a shit ton of problems.
Jeeps? Like some of the newer ones I've heard, yeah. The old ones are cool.
Everything has problems.
Yeah, everything has problems. You'll always hear, oh yeah, I've heard this car has problems. Dude, everything has problems. Every car has its issues.
Yeah, like that guy today, he's like, yeah, the Supra has that problem with
The rust or what? The head gasket. Yeah, because of the wrong wrong specs. Yeah, so see, every car has issues. So
and
it's
this
like,
one, the fucking timing chain on the front.
Mhm.
If you don't put something in between the timing chain when you take off the head, the tensioner falls off.
see,
And then so you have to take off the front and remove it and change the tensioner.